Cloudy yellow headlights not only make driving at night dangerous, but they can also detract from your car's overall appearance. In this video, we'll show you a DIY, do-it-yourself headlight restoration process that will have your headlights looking like new in just a few steps. Okay, tools that you need for the job. I have a rotary polisher, buffer, also known as a buffer. It is a variable speed. Also have a dual action polisher, buffer, dual action, oscillating. 600 grit sandpaper, 1000 grit sandpaper. I have a backing plate that I'm going to use on the rotary buffer with a interface pad. What this interface pad does is that it flexes, so that way when I'm going over this, it conforms to the shape of the headlight, so that way it doesn't etch into it. Also have a wool pad that I'm going to be using after to finish this headlight off. All right, everyone, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get my 600 grit sandpaper here. I'm going to put my interface pad on my backing plate there that came with the polisher. I'm just going to lay that on there just like so, and go ahead and test that. Now I'm going to set this down. I'm now going to use just a little bit, just enough to coat the surface like so. I'm not drenching it. I'm not just overpowering it. Just enough, just to add some lubrication. Okay, I'll set that up there. Masked off everything, as you can see. And then going to set my variable speed polisher on 2. That's it, number 2. Actually going to do it at 1500. This is number 1. And all I'm going to do, with very, very little pressure, going up and down. Let me set that down. A little bit there. And when I'm using this, I'm going at it at an angle, just a little bit. But as you can see, when I push down on the angle, instead of it being rigid, it conforms. So, we'll continue. Let me take this and add just a little bit more. These headlights were the original headlights that came on the truck. Drive a lot of miles on the highway from Miami, across Texas, Missouri, all over the country. And it's definitely a need to have this done. Alright, so done with that 600 grit. Got down here as much as possible. Probably just going to get it just a little bit more. Now, I'm going to switch off 600 grit. Okay. 600, I'm just going to lay up here. I'm going to get my 1000 grit. 1000. I'm going to repeat. Okay. Here we go, same speed. More lubrication. Okay. Now, all right, everyone, so going to be using this Meguiar's Ultra Pro Speed Compound. Instead of actually squirting it on the pad, I'm going to apply it directly to the headlight, like so. And same speed as what I was working on the sanding. Now I'm going to do the same thing. So, dim headlights significantly reduce visibility at night, making driving dangerous. Cloudy headlights are unattractive and can detract from your car's overall appearance. Replacing headlights can be expensive, so restoration is a cost-effective solution. Restoration enhances nighttime visibility, improving driving safety. Renewed headlights give a car a fresh, clean look, increasing its curb appeal. DIY restoration saves you money compared to buying new headlights. Now I'm going to reapply. Rubbing compound. And I'm working at the same speed as when I was sanding, right at 1500. No reason to go any higher than that. Up, down, side to side. One more time for good measure. And so this is how to restore headlights. Really easy, did not take that much time, and it'll make driving at night a lot safer. So also it cleans up the whole aesthetic appearance of your ride. So, you know, yeah. So anyway, be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this, and leave a comment down in the comment section. Go ahead and share with everyone your personal experiences with restoring headlights. So catch you on the next video, everybody. Bye-bye.